Wait, hey guys, my name is Mikaylah. Now it's coming out already, and I just did it like less than a week ago. Good night.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on nothing. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on nothing. Take
Alright, y'all. This is my final face. This is my final face. Don't know if you can really see, but this is the little fit, guys. This is my outfit. I don't know about my shoes though. But yeah, this is my first day outfit. I think it's cute. I think it's, you probably wonder why I'm wearing long sleeve. It's because it's cold and we have AC. But it's hot outside. We all know that. It's still summer. Anyways, I'm so excited. I want to wear this back to class, but I'm gonna wear this for pictures because I'm gonna what the heck am I talking about? My laptop doesn't fit in there, So therefore, I just want to talk to you guys while I pack my bag. So if you don't know, oh wait, hey guys, my name is Mikaylah. If you made it this far, I probably already said the intro. Anyway, this is the bag that I got from Marshall. I just think it's like I'm a senior and this is my last year and I'm cute, you know? But anyway, I already have my planner in here, and my folder and a little purse. But I just wanted to come and talk to y'all about how I'm feeling. I'm just like really excited. I hope today's gonna be a good day. The only thing that's making me like annoyed is the fact that my roommate woke me up, 1, and 2, I have dance class today, and I'm not trying to sweat off all this makeup. You kidding me? I look cute. I don't want to sweat at all. But I'm gonna bring a change of clothes. But right now, what you just saw me pack is my bracelet. I'm gonna bring my edge control. That's a must. Basically all the things that were in my emergency kit video. If you didn't watch that, you should watch it so you can get a glimpse of what's in my bag. Phone off the charger. Only have 20 minutes left before I have to walk to class. Laptop, put it in here. What else, girl? I got an extra perfume and spray. A scrunchie for sure. It's all just long hair. I wanted to do like the clip style, but I just don't know if it's hot. Oh, okay. I just don't know if that's gonna stay. Number 1. That might be cute though. Hold on. Hey. And I gotta see about shoes, guys. I don't know. Like I said, I'm really excited. I want this year to be the best year I've ever had. I know it's a little dramatic, but y'all really don't know like how my first 2 years were. Oh my gosh. See, that's why you cannot have passion twists. Now it's coming out already and I just did it like less than a week ago. Good night. Sorry, that was a moment. I'm excited. I want it to be the best year because all my other years I was not trying to graduate from here. And so now I have no choice but to graduate from here. And I just want to make it the best because real life really starts quick after. Oh, it's not staying. I know this is all over the place, guys. I'm just rushing low-key because I don't want to miss my first class. I'm not gonna miss it. I mean, like, be late. Also, should I do the glasses? I know it would be like a little moment. I feel like this is not going how I planned. Sorry, my chest is in the camera. I apologize for family that's watching or anyone. Sorry, just sorry. So I'm gonna have to end up wearing sneakers. I did not want to wear sneakers, bro. I don't have time to be indecisive also though, so. Well, I'm gonna put in pictures and everything. I just wanted to update you guys that this is your girl's senior year and we finna make the best of it, and I hope you enjoy the college content that I'm gonna be putting out because that's the wave right now. That's what my life is. That's the stage that my life is at right now. I'm final year of college and this is where I'm living, so I'm gonna have to enjoy it, love. We could wear this mask. Definitely hope you enjoyed this video. I pray that anyone who is starting school, that you flourish and get good grades. If for my other fellow seniors, we got this. We definitely do got it. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, and I don't think this will be the end of the video. If it is the end of the video, I love you, peace and blessings, and come back for another piece of cake. If not, watch the next clip. Bye. This elevator did be taking forever. I wonder if it's gonna take me more than 10 minutes to walk across campus. I don't want to rush. I don't want to sweat either. So cute. Still waiting. This is wild. Oh, come on. Oh, I knew I should have left at 11:30, bro. Y'all like my nails, though? They look real, right? Yeah. Oh, I'm really speed walking. I woke up 2 hours early, so I wouldn't have to rush. And I'm wearing white. I don't want to sweat. It's the way I'm panicking. I'm usually always on time. Hey, Mom, if you're watching this, I love you. I'm gonna be on time. I got 7 minutes to spare, and I'm almost there. Gotta find a classroom. Oh my God. Hey guys. I know that in the last clip I probably said that. Is that Chris? It is. I know that I said that I was done closing it out or whatever, but I lied. We just finished taking our pictures. Say hi, Ty. Hey. Now we're waiting for the C-store. The C-store, if you don't know, it's like a mini corner store, and then all the freshmen usually clear it out the first day. So we here early. It's 6 on the dot already. We don't want to seem like we fiending, but we are fiending because we just need to get what we need to get and not be disturbed and not have the shelves cleared out. So that's what we finna do. So
look what you made me do.